Good afternoon, everyone. Just thought I'd show you a little project that I've been working on. It's this spray unit. So, I don't know, a couple of months ago, I noticed that my boss had this sitting in his shed, and what I got off him was the frame, that piece of frame there, the drum, and the controller, and also the PTO pump. So what I did is I brought the reel and the gun, and then I welded a frame on the back. The reason why I put it down on the flat like that is because I think this reel is better suited to being like that, because you don't want that piece there spinning against the bolt. So that's why I've done it that way. So that's fine like that. So yeah, I welded the frame on, put the reel on the back, and mounted the controller. This controller here, this controller used to just hang on the pipes down here, so I made up a bracket, bolted to it, and it now belongs just there. And I've got new pipes, all new pipes. I had to put a bit of oil in the pump. I had no oil in it, but it seems to be holding oil. And then mounted it to the pump with the two chains to stop it spinning. Yeah, so I pretty much refurbished it. Put the gauge on it. It had a gauge that was all rusty. And yesterday morning, I think, I tried to get it going. I filled the drum up with water, got it going. Probably, I'd say that pump hasn't been going for, it could have been, just a guess, 10 years. Been parked up. So I tried it yesterday morning. It wouldn't go. I undone it there and put a garden hose in there, filled it with water, thinking that it may need to be primed. Spent probably half an hour with it running, couldn't get it to go. So I thought the pump was stuffed, and I thought that I would have a go at taking the heads off and see what's wrong with it. And then my dad was here yesterday evening around this time, and we were going to have a look at a tractor, and I was just showing him what I'd been working on, and I just started up to show him what it was doing, and it started working, and it actually has really good pressure. I think things may have just got a bit dry. There was some chemical still in the drum, so there would have been a bit of chemical inside it, and it's just got a bit dry. So with the 5 or 6 hours it was sitting there just soaking, was enough to get it all working. I do have a leak on this fitting here. It's cross threaded, so I'll be pulling that off at some point before I use it. But yeah, it's a pretty good little unit. I just wanted something that I could put on this tractor, because this tractor does feeding the calves, getting cows and calves in, and it was doing a bit of topping. I was doing some topping with it, but it's much more comfortable on the big tractor topping. So I put this spraying unit on, and now I'll be able to just go and spray gorse whenever I need, whenever I want to. It'll just be sitting here ready to go. Also, just cut little box section feet for it, because Massey Ferguson 35s don't have the best brakes. It's got brakes, but not the best brakes, and now I can just sit it down, and there's something to dig into the ground to stop it moving with a 200 kg weight sitting on it. So yeah, blooming good tractors those, for 60 plus years old, can still do a full day's work. It was towing the topping mower around for a couple hours, parking in the shed, crank it up, away she goes. Yeah, that's a little project that I've been working on. So yeah, everything works. This controller works mint. There is a little leak under here, but I think it's because these are not correctly tight or tightened it enough, because I did have it up under those to put the bracket on. So yeah, well, shall go and mow the lawns at home. Thanks for watching. You can check us out on Facebook, Family Farming and Fun. See a few pictures of us riding. Yeah. Alright, we'll see you another time. Bye.